I was just sent this 2.1 CH Dolby soundbar with a wired subwoofer. We're gonna get this set up and see how it sounds. I'm really excited about this. I've always wanted a soundbar and subwoofer to kind of enhance the sound of my TV. So let's get into it. All right, so this is everything we're gonna get inside. So we got the aux cables right over here. We got an HDMI. We got some bracket screws here. We got a remote. This is gonna be the sound bar. It does come in two pieces. We're just gonna put it together. So literally what we're gonna do here is this is the one side, this is the other side. This little cord right over here, we're just gonna stick it right into there and that will connect it. This is the subwoofer right here. This is gonna be our plug. And of course there are instructions right over here. So we're gonna go get this set up and see how it does. All right, so we got the soundbar all set up right over here. Really easy to use. We just ran all the wires underneath the television, so you could barely notice them. This sounds absolutely amazing. I cannot play any sound for you just because it's gonna create a violation, but works really well. We have the subwoofer in the back over here behind the TV. Since our TV is a little bigger, there's really no space for it to be on either side. So that's how we do that. And then right over here, we got of course, our handy remote, which is absolutely amazing. You could do the volume up, you could do the bass, you could hit play, you could connect this to Bluetooth mode as well. So you could connect it to if you want to just listen to music from your phone, you could hook that up. Really like this a lot. I was a little nervous at first about how I would have to set this up. Would it be easy to set up? Would it be hard? Turns out it was super easy. So if you're looking for a great soundbar and subwoofer, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.